Crafty here with my second layout for this Chinese Whispers that I'm doing. This is the layout that I got sent to me. And now this time, since this is my second layout to do for it, means this layout's already been interpreted once before me. So that's fun. But yet, while I'm doing this voiceover, I did not get to see what the original one looked like. I only got to see the person before me. So that's what I had to deal with. I will keep it up in the right hand corner so you can see it, what I went off of. But I really liked the layering, and it was pretty simple layering, and that's basically what I jump off from. Because of the way my son's photo is facing though, I kind of flip it, and I wanted to do a torn edge and just around two sides. So instead of having the entire thing framed, I decided just to have it framed on two sides in a pretty thick torn edge frame. But someday I decided he's probably going to kill me that I did this layout, one, with this picture, two, that I did it and posted it on YouTube and shared it with people on Facebook. But so essentially this layout's relatively simple, and I end up going with, instead of like little clusters, I end up kind of doing a band of cluster kind of around my photo, just to give some, just to really pull into the photo. So I end up having like a band of cluster on the top, a band of embellishments, or I should say embellishments, not cluster, a band embellishment cluster on the top, a band embellishment cluster on the bottom, and then two little ones on either side. Very simple. This one came together really, really quick. I mean, this video is relatively short, so. But yeah, so just layering up with this fun set of papers I have left in this collection, and I don't know what it is. These are all old kits though that I have, so nothing's current before. Nothing's probably before 2017, 2016 maybe, or after I should say. Everything's before that. But yeah, all right, just putting in, decided I wanted to do some banners, and I was trying to figure out what I could do so that the patterns weren't the same as the ones that it was touching. So I ended up, and I didn't necessarily want to do pink, but I had this cute little this and an arrow that is pink that I cut out for a different layout and didn't use, and I wanted to use it on this one to point right to his face. So I do end up going with the star, the pink star pattern for my third banner piece. I have a lot of these puffy titles, puffy foam. It's foam, yeah. Foam thicker titles from this kit. It came in this kit that I got. And I have the sheet pretty much left over. But I saw this photo and right away I knew I had to do this seriously. So I'll give you a background of what this photo is about, and you can just watch me, like, I'm just doing layers and then adding little things here and there. It's nothing too like amazing, but this photo is of my son. I was giving him a bath and I had to take a picture. I'm one of those that I when he's awkward or funny or like literally make me laugh out loud, I have to capture it, and I was glad I did. So he was taking a bath and he loves to play, and all of a sudden I see him with his cup, and I went, what are you doing? And then he just looked at me with this face, and I said, did you just pee in that cup? And he goes, yeah, Grandma said I could. And it was like, since when did Grandma say you could do that? Grandma never said he could, for one. For two, he is such a stinker. He's notorious for trying to claim that Grandma lets him do certain things at her house, when it doesn't matter. This is our house, and whatever. What happens at Grandma's kind of stays at Grandma's is our philosophy. Sometimes we're like, we just don't want to know what she lets you do, like eat ice cream for breakfast. But yeah, I was like, there is no way Grandma said you could pee in a cup while you're in the tub so you don't have to get out. So that's what he did. Needless to say, bath was over, cup was bleached. What a stinker. And then I had to, and he's dry. If you can see his hair, he's dry. So I had to redo a bath. Anyway. So, yeah. Using up some more of that ephemera from that little boy collection. Totally rad, maybe? I don't know. I'm really bad at throwing packaging away. But now that I know that I do that, I stopped. So this is all like I had thrown it away previous to me starting my YouTube channel. And I know people want to know where things are from. And so I'm really sorry. I don't know. But I think that one's relatively new because I think I've seen other people use some of it too. I feel like it's called Totally Rad or Hey Dude or something like that. I'm not sure. I'm really sorry. But anyway. So I'm just journaling in this nice little red tag. It's like a reddy pink. That just says, I looked at you and asked what you were doing. You tried to tell me Grandma lets you. And I just left it at that because I think it's self-explanatory what he's doing. But I like it because he censored himself so I could take the picture. But yeah, I hope, I don't think I'll get kicked off YouTube for this one. We'll see. Maybe I should blur it. By the time this is posted, it may be blurred. I may blur it. I don't know. Hopefully I can. I'm not sure if I can. We'll see. But yeah, the cat just, she loves me so much. She can't leave me alone for 2 seconds. On my the inspiration layout, or the layout that I was supposed to jump off, she had a shaped clip up at the top, and I knew I had some that were in that same green, so I figured I would emulate that as well. But the layers and where the title was, it was a very nice, simple layout that you could kind of jump off and go wherever you want. So I cannot wait to see what the original layouts look like, and this is only week 2. Or like the second one that I've had to do from somebody else. So I can't wait to see what the original sketch is and how everything morphs. But I will definitely try to make sure I have a video of that at the end of the month so you guys can see. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I just added some, this classic. So I just did some Nuvo drops, and I decided in that little tab above his head, I wanted to stamp something, and I had a roller stamp that has "Oh Snap" on it. So I decided to do that, and in the process of stamping that, I apparently wipe my arm in those 3 Nuvo drops that are right to the right of the photo. And because the next thing I know, I saw a black blob on my white counter, and I was like, where did that come from? Oh yeah, I'm seeing me do it right there. Look at blob. And I was like, oh no. So then in a panic, which it's fine, it worked out. I could have just left it, or I wiped it. I wiped it with a wipe, and then it even started taking the ink off of the paper. So I was like, well, now I gotta put something else there. So I had this, it's like a canvas sticker that says "This is life." And I thought it was kind of perfect. So I just put that there and add some more Nuvo drops. And ta-da! But that is it. That is pretty much my layout. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I can't wait to show you the rest of them that are coming up. Bye!